Here is what something nobody ever talks about. Because you always have a clear goal while losing weight, but while maintaining that weight, all your goal goes away. This is because when you're in your weight loss journey, you have a clear goal, a mindset, a target that you have to hit no matter what, and so you're working for that goal. But when you reach your maintenance phase, you don't have that goal anymore. You don't have a clear vision or a clear target that you want to achieve. And this is why people are generally more scared of reaching their goal weight than starting their weight loss journey. Because after reaching your required goal, even when you go 1 to 2 kgs up or down, your whole body starts going into this loop of whether I'm doing something wrong, whether am I eating too less, am I eating too more. Another problem is your diet mentality, because when you're in a weight loss journey, you follow strict diet that you have to make sure that you have no matter what. But once you reach your maintenance weight, it's a lot more difficult to follow the strict diet because you don't need to go that hard on yourself. But at the same time, you have to maintain that weight, and so you need to inculcate a whole new diet which may work on your body or may not work. So if you too are in this weird phase like me, then this is what you should do. Stop expecting your weight to be constant all the time. It is weight, not any machine. So it might go up a few days or it might go lower a few days according to your body. Two, keep your habits, but don't go so hard on yourself. During your weight loss journey, the habits that you have developed for over 9 months or say 1 year max, these are the habits that you have actually followed and you want to follow for the rest of your life. So make sure that you can follow those habits and that you do not go so hard on yourself. Don't have regular weigh-in checks. Now, during your weight loss journey, I'm sure you would have had a weigh-in check about at least once a week, but make sure that once you reach your maintenance phase that you do not do this regular weigh-in, because it's going to show different way every single day. Make sure that you just weigh yourself in once a month. And then let me tell you that we all think that weight loss is the final destination, but it really isn't. Maintaining that weight is much, much, much more harder. Follow for more realistic tips. Until next time, bye.